Morning, afternoon, evening, forever you're watching. Welcome back once again to the Mickey Math Class, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. Come along, we have an interesting topic. Word problem involving equations. Now, let's look at this first example. It says the product means what you get when you multiply two things of a certain number. So the first thing we say, let the number be y, because we don't know it, it's unknown. Now the next thing here, it says the product of that number, that means y multiplied by 5. So the product of the number and 5 is 5 times y, which is 5y. This product here, 5y, is equal to twice the number, is 2 times of it. That's y times 2. That's 2y. Twice the number is 2y. Now they told us that this product here, 5y, is equals to twice this number, this 2y, subtracted from 20. So twice the number subtracted from 20. Number subtracted from 20 is 20 minus 2y. So we have ended up bringing out all we need to solve and find the number. So from here, let's go again. The product of a certain number, that's 5y, is equals to, therefore, hence, 5y is equals to twice the number subtracted from 20. This is it. Is equals to 20 minus 2y. From here, add 2y to both sides. So we have 5y plus 2y is equals to 20 minus 2y plus 2y. This and this goes off. So 5y plus 20y, that will give us 7y. So 7y is equals to 20. Now divide both sides by 7 to get our number. And that's the final answer. So divide by 7 over 7. So which will give us y is equals to, how many 7 we use in 20? That's 2. Remainder, that's 14. 20 minus 14, that's 6 over 7. So this is the number that we are looking for. Two whole number, 6 over 7. All right, let's look at example 2. It says that the sum of 35 and a certain number, we don't know it, is divided by 4. The result is equal to double the number. Find the number. So the first thing, we say let the number be n. Let the number be n, because we don't know it for now. Now they said the sum of 35 and that certain number. So let's interpret this first statement. So the sum of 35 and the number is n plus 35, or 35 plus n. That's the sum. Now, we're not told that the sum of 35 and a certain number divided by 4. The sum divided by 4 is, the sum divided by 4, that's this sum, divided by 4 will give us is n plus 35 over 4. We are posting home. Now, it says the result of this division is equal to double the number. Double the number is, for me to double it, that's 2 times n. Double the number is equals to n plus n, rather. N plus n, that's 2n. That's the double of the number. The result is equal to double of this number here. Find the number. So therefore, hence, we have that our n plus 35 over 4 equals to 2n. That's the interpretation. From here we can cross multiply. So this is 4 times n. So let's cross multiply. That's n plus 35 equals to 4 times 2n. So 4 times 2n is 8n. So 35 is equals to 8n. N plus 35. So subtract n from both sides. So we have that n minus n plus 35 is equals to 8n minus n. So that becomes, this and this will go off. So 35 is equals to 8n minus n. That's 7n. Now divide both sides by 7. So when we divide both sides by 7, over 7 over 7. So our n will be equals to 5. So 5 is the number we are looking for. All right, let's take the third example. It says that the sum of two numbers is 22. That means when I add the two numbers, the answer we get is 22. It says the sum of 3/4 of one of the number and 1/5 of the other number is 11. So from here, let's interpret what is there. The sum of two numbers, you can say let the first number be t. That's the first number. The second number, because the two of them add to give you 22, the second number will be, or therefore the second number, it follows that the second number will be 22 minus t, because it is when I subtract 22 from this first number, that's when I will get the second number. I give you an example. If I say 5 plus 10, two numbers is 15. Assuming I don't know this 5, if I want to get it, I will say 15 minus 10 to give me 5. If I don't know the second one, I'll say 15 minus 5, which is 10. So that is how this 22 minus c came about. Now, the sum of 3/4 of one of the numbers. So let's say 3/4 of one of the number, 3/4 of t. Of means multiplication. 3/4 of this t, and 1/5 of the other, that's plus 1/5 of this other one, that's 22 minus t, is 11, is equals to 11. Find the two numbers. So we have brought out our equation. The first thing we do, this is 4, this is 5, we take the LCM. The LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. So we multiply each of the term by the LCM of 4 and 5. So it follows that 3/4t times 20 plus 1/5 into bracket 22 minus t times 20 is equals to 11 times 20. So from here, 4 here 1, 4 in 25, 5 here 1, 5 in 24. So we have 3 times 5, that's 15t. Then I have 4 plus 4 into brackets 22 minus t is equals to 11 times 20, that's 220. So from here, let's expand this. 4 times 22 is 88. 88 minus 4t, 4 times t is 4t. You have 15t here, is equals to 220. So collect like terms. Subtract 88 from both sides. So this is 15 minus 4. 14, that's 11t, is equals to 220 minus 80. 220 minus 88 to give us 132. So this is 132, 11t. Now is equals to 132. Divide both sides by 11. So we have 11t is equals to 132 over 11. So our t is equals to 12. So one of the numbers is 12. Now the second number will be 22 minus 12, which is equals to 10. So therefore the two numbers are 10 and 12. And that's all. Alright, I hope you have enjoyed today's class. We looked at problems involving equations, and I hope you followed through. Just like in our usual style, before we go, here's some list of take home you can practice at your leisure time. The first one says the sum of 8 and a certain number is equal to the product of the number and 3. Find the number. Second one says 4 times a certain number is equal to the number subtracted from 40. Find the number. And the last but not the least says the sum of two numbers is 21. 5 times the first number added to 2 times the second number is 66. Find the two numbers. Let me see your answers in the comment section. If you enjoyed the video, the teaching of today, why not give us a like, give us a share, tell your friends about the Mickey Masterclass, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. If there's any aspect of mathematics you are struggling with, put in the comment section and I'll be there to attend to you. If you're here to subscribe, please kindly hit the subscribe button to get wonderful videos like this. Most importantly, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on one of the when new content on the channel drops. Till meet again in the next Mickey Mouse class. Keep practicing. Remember, mathematics is fun. See you at the top. Shalom.